How to change LinkedIn background image on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change LinkedIn background image on Android phone. First open settings and now click up here and now type here LinkedIn, click on it and then click permissions, and here we'll find storage, click on it and click allow, and then just go back to LinkedIn and now just click on your profile here and then click settings, and here we'll find click on your profile and then click view profile, and here you will find this icon here, this one, click on it and then click upload from photos and select any photo you want, and your problem will be fixed, and see you in the next video.